How to log out of WhatsApp Wave. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp Wave both from your computer and your phone. Let's get started. If you are on WhatsApp Wave, just click the three dots menu at the top of your chat list, then select Logout. And that's it, you have now signed out of WhatsApp Wave on the browser. You can also log out remotely. Open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Then tap three dots on Android or settings on iPhone on the bottom right corner. Then go to link device option. Tap the device name you want to log out from. Then tap on logout. It's a good idea to log out of public or shared computers to keep your messages safe and private. And that's it. This is how you log out of WhatsApp Wave. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.